Fixing color issues in your Epson printer.
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we are tackling a common issue faced by many printer users. Why is my Epson printer not printing the color red? This issue might be caused by several reasons, including low or expired ink, incorrect printer settings, or hardware issues. We'll guide you through the process of identifying and fixing the problem.
Is your printer out of red ink?
The most straightforward cause might be that your Epson printer is out of red ink. Check the ink levels using your printer screen menu or the Epson software on your computer. If your red ink is low or empty, you need to replace the cartridge. It's worth noting that even if a cartridge is not completely empty, it can still cause printing issues if the ink inside has dried or expired.
Are your print settings correct?
Sometimes, your printer might not be set up to print in color. Go to the print settings on your computer and make sure color printing is enabled. If you are using specialized software, also check if there is any setting within the software that could be limiting the color output.
Have you cleaned your print head recently?
Over time, the print head can get clogged, which affects the quality of the prints. A clogged print head can prevent the red ink from being applied to the paper. You can solve this problem by running a print head cleaning cycle from your printer's maintenance menu. After the cleaning cycle, print a test page to see if the issue has been resolved.
Is your printer damaged?
If you've gone through all the steps above and your Epson printer still doesn't print red, there might be a hardware issue. Maybe the print head is damaged, or the cartridge is not correctly installed. If you suspect a hardware problem, it's best to contact Epson support or a professional technician. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in solving the issue of your Epson printer not printing red. Remember, the key steps are checking your ink levels, verifying print settings, cleaning your print head, and potentially seeking professional help if all else fails. Good luck, and happy printing!